Hey guys, it's Tiara Yasmin. Welcome back to my channel. Today is day 6 of 12 days of press-on, so we are half. Wasn't working. Yeah, so this is where this happened. I thought it would be cute to do like an ombre airbrush green type of thing on top of doing a little bit of glitter to kind of ombre down. When I tell you I didn't have the right products or I didn't have the right skill for this, like I have never done this and it showed here. So I had to just scratch this all together and I resorted to just doing a trusty old glitter French tip. I was able to jazz it up. As you can see here, I added some gems. I added a little bit more sparkle to the nail just so it could pop better, and I feel like it just came together all in the end, but it was a long process to get here. So I hope you guys liked this video. Give me a like, comment, and be sure to subscribe if you're not subscribed already. I will see you guys tomorrow in my next video for day 7, so be sure to come back, and I'll see you then. Bye.